When I wake up in the morning and I go online, I'm looking for something crazy to blow my mind. Hey, can't look away cause you're addicted, so incredible you can't resist it. You are watching, Are you ready to play? Troom Troom friends.
Girls' friendship is as fickle as the weather. Now, the weather is fair, and both friends are adding the latest touches to their makeups. They don't even argue about the mirror. However, it's time to take a selfie. The girls are turning themselves into their best images. One friend suddenly decides she's more beautiful than the other, so she should be alone on the selfie. She's moving aside further and further. Hey, watch out! Don't fall off the couch! The other friend wants to take an individual selfie as well. Hey, how dare you take a photo without me? Come on, move! Here it is. A quarrel has come out of the blue. It seems this time we'll see the whole whirlpool of revenge pranks. My friend can stop trusting me, but she'll certainly trust the dessert. Cake Pops have never let her down, at least until now. Smash cookies into fine crumbs. You can use a spoon or a blender. Add condensed milk, traditional and chocolate ones. Mix the cookie mass. Shape balls. Insert a stick into a ball and cover it with black pepper. Cover another cake pop with cayenne pepper. You can add the spicy filling inside. Add a spoon of fat cream into melted chocolate. Stir until smooth and dip in the balls. Decorate the cake pops. Cover them with coconut shavings and rainbow sprinkles. Freeze until firm. My friend treats me with her cake pops. They look tempting. I bite a piece. Ouch! Someone's put pepper instead of sugar. Fire! I ask my friend for help, but she doesn't hear me. She's reaching out for my cake. I bet it'll invigorate you. Pile waffles, alternating layers of chocolate condensed milk with mustard. Break a bar of chocolate. Melt it in a microwave. Spread the melted chocolate over the waffle cake. I bite a sweet chocolate cake. Oh my god, there's mustard trap inside. Ah! My tongue's been put into all 9 circles of hell. I need some water to extinguish the fire in my mouth. I'm reaching out for my peppered cake pops by mistake. Ah! It's turned worse. The prank war's broken out with fire. How to tame a fire-breathing dragon? Use a Sprite can. Turn a Sprite can upside down. Make a cut in the bottom. Pour the beverage into a glass. Take carbonated mineral water, suck it into a syringe, and eject it into the empty Sprite can. Cover the cup with hot glue. Turn the can over. No one will notice anything's wrong. Offer the Sprite to your friend. She's alert to the possibility of being pranked, but the can looks normal. She opens it and takes a sip. Oh, it seems they substituted Sprite for water. It tastes like plain mineral water. She's been pranked again. Is there anyone around? No one. That's good. It's time for a skydiver shoes mission. Take your friend's favorite sneakers and attach them to the ceiling using double-sided tape. Your friend's going to put on her sneakers but can't find them anywhere. She leans back on the couch and sees her shoes on the ceiling. How did they get there? My friend tries to jump to the ceiling to take them off, but it's no easy thing considering her height. Wait a bit until the sneakers fall into your hands, or perhaps straight onto your head. Warning, a weather forecast calls for shoe fall. You'd better put on a helmet. I'm going to take revenge for my spoiled photo. My friend will never expect such a sly revenge. I start a mission of a failed photo exhibition. Print out selfies in which you look good and she doesn't. Attach them to the wall. You've been friends for so long, there's enough selfies to make a whole exhibition. Your friend enters the room. She sees her wall of disgrace. No! Seal up the room. Keep it in quarantine and destroy the evidence. Remove this wailing wall. I've got a special prank. I'll scare my friend with a fake wound. Take 1 ounce of gelatin, 1 ounce of glycerin, and the same quantity of water. Mix the ingredients, put in cream foundation to add some color. Stir well and put it in the microwave for a few seconds. Make sure the gelatin dissolves, but the mixture doesn't boil. Let it cool, put it on your hand. When the jelly hardens, add more color using concealer. You can also use foundation or powder. Add a reddish tone using blush. Take gouache to imitate a bleeding wound. You can easily remove the fake wound from your hand. It can be attached to slightly wet skin again. I put the wound on my hand, pretending I'm asleep. My friend comes up and notices my wound. Though we've had a quarrel, she keeps worrying about me. Wake up! You've got a wound on your hand. I pretend that I'm scared. I throw the fake wound at her. It looks perfect on her head.